That's right. You know what time it is. We're at the gas station. Pumping up some gas. $45 to fill up a van tank. Anyone's leaving empty. But got a hitch on the back. I'm on my way to pick someone up. And we're gonna get something. Yep. Trailer's in. And the man right there. The proud owner of my FGR 1300. The legend, the only, and the one local YouTuber, Motor Squid.
Yeah. Dual vlogs.
Yep.
Dual vlogs, man.
There you go.
Hell yeah. Yeah, not bad.
Alright guys, so it seems like we picked up the Goldwing. It's right there in the back, and I got everything else in the back here. The seat is torn. It's a 1994 instead of 1989. He has an 89, but it's the other bike that he has. He thought it was the 89, but I'm lucky enough to be a 94. It starts and runs. The battery's dead, but it runs if it take the jump cables out. So the alternator works. I don't know if I'm gonna change it or not, but if it's not break, don't take it out, right? If it's not broken, don't fix it. What do you think about it, bro?
You got a great deal. It's, I think now after seeing it and looking at the GL 1500, I think I might want to get one too. Once you ride a Goldwing, you realize that, yeah, you've been doing it wrong with sport bikes, because those things are just as fast, but the smoothness of the engine, and this one's the 6-cylinder. So I don't know if he's ever going to sell this thing, but if he does, I'll buy it.
You know I will sell it, right?
I'll trade you the D-Max.
I probably sell it, but I don't know when. Like I said, it's the first time I'm going to ride a Goldwing. And I do ridden the Goldwing 1500, 1800, and I bought one. And even though it's running and moving, the tires near the air, so I couldn't really take it for a drive. The guy was pretty firm on not letting me ride it. He thought I'm gonna steal it and never gonna see it again.
You know, you would leave your car and
I would leave the car and trailer over here for a freaking $1,000 Goldwing.
Leave your $40,000 car for a 1,000 GL 1500 that's not running that well, and just like make it up the street.
And he has the title on his hand. But
he was a character.
He was a character. But hey, it is what it is. We got a deal. I got the bike. It's loaded up on a trailer. It runs. It runs really smooth, actually. I don't hear no knocking, nothing. It's all the electronic works. Radio works. Lights work. We haven't tested the brakes, but I know. Just I pressed the rear brake and it has like no pressure. So now it needs to be a rebuild. Needs new battery. He said, or he claims, that a fuel pump has been changed. It's about $250. I don't know. He runs, he pumps fuel, so I know he works, but I don't know if he's brand new. There's gonna be a lot of mystery going on with this bike when I get home. But hey, it's a Goldwing. They last forever, right? Hopefully. It's rough shape, but they'll clean up really nice. The only pieces that I saw some rust on was the chrome pieces, crash bars and foot pegs. Other than that, everything looked pretty good shape. Not bad.
And the 1500 is the last of the great touring bikes. After then, Honda built the GL 1800, made it sportier, smaller, a little bit less roomy.
And now the new generation, the 1800, it's even smaller than the first generation 1800. Less room, but it's much lighter. Like I've sat on a 2021 GL 1800, and it flicks in like a sport bike. Like,
yeah.
I didn't ride it, but I sat on one. It just goes side to side really, really easy, like a sport bike. The big one, the first gen, I had to horse it up because it's heavy.
I rode the new Goldwing. It rides extremely well. Like, that thing has got so much power. The weight is just so low to the ground. It makes a hard case to get an ST 1300, but the ST 1500 still, I think, is a little bit better and sporty going around corners. But that engine from the Goldwing, it's just incredibly smooth. It feels so good.
I heard the 1500 Goldwing engine, it's even smoother and quieter than the 1800. And it does sound, it's really quiet.
Mm-hmm.
Like we're next to it, it's really quiet. And for a bike that's been sitting for who knows how long, actually runs fine. Runs fine. It runs on choke though. Take the choke off, it'll die. So I'll need to clean the carbs, that's for sure. It's definitely gonna be a nice project. All right, we got home. We got home. Look at this. On the Goldwing. The Goldwing. The seat is in the car. And yeah, he's gonna go in the garage.
Yeah, this windscreen is way bigger.
All right, we're back home. Back home in the garage. Now I just started up a little bit. Really quiet. Right now it runs on choke because the carb used to be cleaned over. You know. Got 94,000 miles. The battery's dead, but it starts with the jump starter. Now I have to figure out what pieces is missing out of here. I got this one, and I got a few more pieces. But I don't think I have everything for it, to be honest. This one, I don't know what it is. Probably that side. Okay. This piece here. Okay. Yep. So I got this big foot peg out. All right, let's see. Okay. Okay. That one is in relatively. And I'm missing one side cover. This one right here where the battery is. I don't think I have that. Oh yeah, I do. Huh. Okay. Damn. Okay, this one and this one. Let's see. That's it. It's a complete wing, man. Complete wing. Look at that. I'm missing the piece right there. Next day, brought her out. We got a power washer out. I know it's cold, but I haven't turned on my water yet. I'm gonna give it a nice pressure wash. And yeah, we'll see how she turns out. It's really dirty, so try to get all that moss out. Look at all that. Let's get it done. I think she turned out decent. The paint is not bad actually on it. She was like really dirty. Really dirty. The seat needs to be reupholstered. I need to get a new cover for it. It has a rip here. You got a rip here. Right here, a little bit of cracking. I'm gonna see what I'm gonna do about that one. Maybe get a new seat cover. But overall, it's not that bad, to be honest. Everything gets pretty much cleaned on it. I have to dry it out and see if I fix this thing with some WD-40. If not, I have to take it out, just take it apart and clean it completely, because he was sticky. He was sticky. I don't know what that is. Pressure, I guess. He has some sort of oil in it. I don't know if that's from the fork or whatever. Yeah, let me just clean it up real quick and give it a jump. See if she'll turn over. Gotta give it a jump. Let's see how this will turn out. Sure that pop woke up some neighbors. And she's running. They just steam, it's not smoke. Yep, cars definitely need to be cleaned. I'm gonna run just some seafoam through it just to see if I can do anything about that. Clean it without taking them off. So really quiet. Really quiet. I'm gonna go through the gears to see if they'll go through all of them, because I haven't tried out of the first gear. So let's see. It does go through all the gears, so that's good. I probably won't take it for a little test ride before I get the battery. The battery I'm supposed to get today from someone. So I do want to take it out for a ride, but when I know the battery is really, charged up and stuff. All right, so I can't stress enough how good. It's one product that you must have in the garage. It's called steel wool. Looks like this. I have a big pack. It comes like 4 or 5 little balls of this. And this is a must-have in the garage if you have any piece of chrome on your motorcycle or anywhere, I guess. This will clean really nice. And I'm gonna show you what difference it makes into my rusted exhaust with just this. See how nasty this thing is? I just did that little spot in the middle. I'm gonna show you what difference it makes. Just steel wool, no, nothing else. I know it takes a little bit of elbow grease, but the difference it makes, night and day. I'm not saying it'll take big pits of rust, but the thing that I have is just surface. And look at the difference. Takes a little scrubbing, but nothing is easy to do in life. Look at this. Look at the difference. Then and now. With just like, what, 30 seconds of scrubbing? And I have a whole pack of those. Makes a really good difference. And it looks better. Look at that. It really looks better. I don't have a lot of chrome that is really bad. The only chrome that I have is bad is on the other side, on those pegs. I mean the crash bars and those little passenger pegs that the chrome is just peeling off. Other than that, it's pretty good. The exhaust I think is gonna come out all right. But it will be better in a few days. It will run like it should, hopefully in a few days. And I'll be able to take it for a test ride, hopefully today, after I put the battery in. Alright, so I went to the gas station, got me a gallon of Happy Juice, and I did something. Come on, buddy. Did it run? Okay. There you go. Choke is completely off. think that was the problem. We have no gas in it. I had the gas light on, but she runs without choke. I know it takes a little bit of, a little bit of time for the carb to do all that. But she runs fine. Idle a little low. It kind of like goes up and down, up and down. I think that was the problem, to be honest. If we have gas, as soon as I put some freaking seafoam through the carbs or some fuel treatment, I think she'll be running just fine. I don't even take out the carburetor. And that's what it shows, man, how the Goldwing is capable of. Because it's amazing. So smooth. Until he dies, of course. To be honest, I don't know what this is, but I started to take it off. And I guess it's something that was up to market put on it. I like it more natural, so I'm gonna get rid of that, get this crap out, and also this. Same thing as this. Just pop the brand new battery in. Runs a little rough, just a little bit. I think I have a slight exhaust leak at the muffler. I can feel slight exhaust leak. I can kind of feel it. I don't know. I might be wrong. But she's quiet. She idles just fine now. It jumps a little bit from time to time. Whoa, a little bit, but right now it's idling about like 750. 750 jumps to like 900. 750 to 900. But she doesn't die no more. With the fresh gas, that's with the seafoam. Yeah. I mean, what else can I ask for it? Missing a couple of LEDs over here that are burned out. But all the lights work. Let's see if horn works. Oh shit, that's loud. I haven't done nothing but put fresh gas in it, fresh battery, wash it, and she runs really good. 94,000 miles, 726 miles. We'll see how many miles we're gonna put it until the end of this year. But like a few days away. But I cannot complain, man. This project it comes up really nice. Missing a little piece over there for the exhaust cover. Can't complain. Can't complain. For what I got it for and how it runs, I think it's a win-win. So, until next time, guys. Peace.